from Perplexed in Parma. And Perplexed asks,
Right.
do all attorneys provide free consultations? I have a complicated matter with my business and a piece of real estate. Why won't the attorneys speak with me on the phone? From Perplexed in Parma.
Yeah, I'm not I mean, it's interesting that we're getting into a question like that. I don't think we've ever had a question that was inserted into this type of format before like that. First of all, I'm always happy to speak with people who are inquiring about real estate or legal issues. Here's the thing. I may be happy to speak with you. There are attorneys out there that provide free consultations. I can't speak for other attorneys. I can only speak for my office. We're very busy attorneys, real estate attorneys, and we're very blessed. I mean, we're very happy to help. But our time, with all due respect, is quite valuable, just like that individual's time is valuable. Also, being a lawyer is expensive. Going to law school, paying for a number of, we run a business, and it's expensive. And so we charge a document review fee for whatever the client is calling about if the conversation is going to exceed around 5 minutes. Okay, so if they want to call in and they want to talk about their real estate transaction or whatever the concerns are, document concerns, I'm happy to sit and review it with the client, review it for the client, give them our legal feedback. And for that time, I expect, with all due respect, to be paid. Okay, but you've heard me say this before, Blair, nothing of value is free. All right. And especially in today's world, attorneys are paying a fortune to get their degrees. And all you're doing, if you're inquiring into an attorney's office and you're trying to obtain information, you are paying a fractional amount of whatever their legal expenses were to go to law school, you know.
Sure.
So, but, you know, can somebody call in for a quick inquiry? Yeah, but they're not going to get, with all due respect, a legal professional opinion over the phone, unless, you know, in my world, they're going to provide the documentation and they're going to pay and provide us with the consult fee so we can give you the legal information you need to move forward. That's just how we operate.
Yep.
You know, and also I think that may be different in different areas of law. You know, personal injury attorneys, I can't speak for all of them, but I think they're happy to take your phone call for, you know, they always say free consultation or like a dog bite issue. But we deal with intricate, you know, documents, provisions, contractual requirements that really require us to opine and dig deep into a contract. And we can't do that over the phone briefly. You know, we do need time to do it. So we're always welcome. Attorneys, yeah, I mean, it depends on the attorney, depends what you're looking for. I'm happy to give a free legal opinion. It's,
sure,
you know, just why don't you find some time in my schedule and we will make that time for you.
Sure.
Okay?
I was going to say, we can't even briefly, succinctly answer these questions on these YouTube videos because they're always so intricate and you have to review whatever the person is asking. It's usually, the answer usually is, well, I have to review the documents. You know, you can't just listen to someone tell you something and then give them some sort of concrete answer. But I do like the point that you made about, you know, you're paying just a fraction of the cost of whatever it costs you to acquire all of the information and all of the knowledge and all of the just the certifications that you have behind it. And then also all of your overhead. You have staff, you have a, you know, a very nice facility, a very nice business building. I've visited it before. So yeah, there's a lot that goes into it that people don't necessarily think about. So
yeah, it's a business. And the other thing is, and I think we should move on to the next question, but very shortly, but really it's a fascinating business. And what you kind of brought up just now is everybody has a unique situation with regards to their fact pattern. Nobody ever comes in with the same issue. And
Yeah.
all it takes is one little nuance in a sentence that will
Sure.
change the outcome of a case. So if a case is that important to the caller, they should be willing to spend just a brief amount of time and a little bit of money to
Yeah.
get the direction. I always tell clients, hey, or potential clients, look, you're going to spend the time with me. I'm going to tell you what you may or may not want to hear, but at least up front, you're going to know whether or not you should proceed down a slippery slope of litigation, or if
Mhm.
you want to, stop before you, have to incur more money and more expense. So
Mhm.
it's up to the individual and whether. I feel badly for this individual because it sounds like they're frustrated trying to get information. The other thing is that, if you're looking for free consultations, you can also pick up the phone and contact the bar. Your state bar will give you a referral source, and hopefully that referral source will also give you a free consult. But I
Okay.
believe nothing of value is for free.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right.